Bro, ain't no way this lil kid fell for rage bait. Let's just react to this,
Wait, Sarah says, why do you look like Saudi Arabia? Oh, Saudi Arabia. I do not know. I don't look like Saudi Arabia. Should I leave now? You may leave. No!
Bro, what was that cut? Can bro just shut his yapping ass up? Finally, he stopped with this twin.
Matthew wears nappies, aka Lil Rocket.
Okay, not gonna lie, why y'all falling for this kid? When is a fake proof?
How dare you show your you-know-what on Red's World Cartoons livestream? You know that's absolutely
Nah, I don't even know what to say, but anyways, tell me another kid like this to roast.